What happens when you eat raw garlic every day? Today, we're exploring a natural health booster valued for centuries. It's known for its powerful health benefits. This humble ingredient can support hair, skin, and weight loss. With so many potential benefits in one small clove, raw garlic is a true superfood. Let's start with hair health, a topic many people are passionate about. For thicker, shinier hair, garlic may be a simple, natural solution to incorporate. Garlic contains sulfur, selenium, and vitamin C, essential nutrients for strong, healthy hair. The sulfur in garlic supports keratin production, a vital protein for hair, skin, and nails. Vitamin C promotes collagen production, strengthening hair roots and preventing breakage. If hair loss is a concern, garlic's antioxidants improve blood circulation to the scalp. Increased blood flow may promote hair thickness and reduce dandruff effectively. To use garlic topically for hair health, create a simple garlic hair mask easily. Crush a few garlic cloves, mix with coconut or olive oil, and massage into your scalp. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with shampoo. If you have sensitive skin, be cautious and do a patch test for irritation. Next, let's discuss skin health. Garlic can help you achieve clearer, more radiant skin effectively. The active compound in garlic, allicin, has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects. Allicin fights acne-causing bacteria and keeps pores clear to help prevent breakouts. This natural remedy may be especially helpful for those dealing with acne. Besides fighting bacteria, allicin's anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and swelling for smoother skin. Garlic also helps with aging. Its antioxidants neutralize free radicals that cause premature aging. For better skin health, consider adding garlic to your daily diet. For skin application, combine crushed garlic with honey or aloe vera for a gentle mask. These soothing ingredients balance garlic's strength for a safer application. Apply the mixture for a few minutes before washing it off. Just be careful not to leave it on too long, as garlic can be strong. If you're looking to lose weight, garlic can be a valuable addition to your routine. Garlic boosts metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. It acts as a natural appetite suppressant, helping you feel fuller longer. These benefits work together to support calorie reduction and weight management effectively. Garlic activates enzymes that break down fats in the body, enhancing fat metabolism. For those interested in weight loss, a simple garlic tea may be beneficial. Crush a clove of garlic, steep it in hot water, and add lemon for flavor. Drinking this tea before meals can curb cravings and support your metabolism naturally. Garlic also has a long-standing reputation as a stamina booster. Historically, garlic was used by athletes to enhance their performance. Ancient Greek Olympians consumed garlic before competitions to improve endurance and energy. Modern research supports this, suggesting garlic helps use oxygen efficiently during workouts. It reduces fatigue, allowing for better performance and sustained energy during exercises. For athletes or fitness enthusiasts, adding garlic may enhance stamina and endurance. Eating a clove of garlic 30 minutes before a workout might boost your energy noticeably. Alternatively, adding garlic to your diet offers more subtle, long-term performance benefits. Garlic benefits extend beyond physical health. They also enhance mental well-being. Research indicates garlic can support brain health and improve memory as we age. Antioxidants in garlic protect brain cells from oxidative stress, slowing cognitive decline. Regular garlic consumption may help prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. To incorporate garlic for cognitive benefits, start your day with garlic for breakfast. Adding minced garlic to scrambled eggs or avocado toast can support memory function. One widely recognized benefit of garlic is its positive impact on heart health. Garlic lowers blood pressure and cholesterol, significant risk factors for heart disease. By dilating blood vessels, garlic helps reduce blood pressure for better blood flow. It also lowers LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol, which clogs arteries. Scientific research on garlic and heart health is impressive and supports its benefits. Studies show garlic supplementation can lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure significantly. This helps reduce hypertension risk, heart attacks, and strokes effectively. Raw garlic is the most effective way to access these heart protective benefits. Cooking may reduce some of its active compounds, so consider raw garlic. If raw garlic is too strong, supplements offer a convenient alternative. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement for safety. Lastly, let's discuss oral health. Good oral hygiene is essential for a bright smile and preventing gum disease. Garlic's antibacterial and antifungal properties help maintain a healthy mouth by controlling bacteria. This prevents gum infections, cavities, and even bad breath effectively. Garlic fights harmful bacteria like Streptococcus mutans, which causes cavities and gum issues. To use garlic for oral health, make a mouth rinse with crushed garlic infused in water. Swish this mixture in your mouth for a natural antibacterial rinse effectively. However, avoid applying raw garlic directly to your gums to prevent irritation. So, there you have it. From hair and skin benefits to weight management and cognitive health, garlic is a powerhouse. Incorporating raw garlic into your diet can bring noticeable health improvements. If new to raw garlic, start slowly to get accustomed to the taste. Garlic is potent. Small amounts can provide significant health benefits. The discussed health benefits may take time to show, but consistency is key. Whether added to meals, taken as a supplement, or enjoyed as tea, garlic is beneficial. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips. Garlic may be small, but its benefits are mighty. Until next time, stay healthy and embrace the power of nature.